There are 3 reasons why the IVo Steam machines are going to be excellent for you. Number 1 is continuous steam production. Number 2 is the vacuum. And number 3 is detergent. And the combination of those 3 things is unique in the IVo Steam machines. In a steam machine of this size, you can get the really big industrial ones with those 3 functions, but most people don't need that size of machine. The compact IVo Steam machines are a really brilliant innovation. This is the Tekna 4.5 bar machine. There is also the Athena 8 bar. They're very simple to operate. You simply turn on with the button on the front and you wait for the machine to warm up. Normally takes 2 to 3 minutes. This will only take a few seconds because the machine is partially warmed. To choose the detergent function, use this button in the middle on the control panel. There's 4 levels of detergent available, giving you an option as to how much detergent you send out with that steam. On the holster here, we have the trigger for the steam operation and a button on the back here for the vacuum. This is a simply on-off for the vacuum. To choose the vacuum level, which is 5 levels of vacuum, you use the plus and minus buttons on the front. Very simple to set up and very simple to use. We now see it's heated up, 150 degrees in the boiler, and we can just press the trigger here to turn it on. Very simple and very fast. Another nice feature which is very useful when doing a lot of steam cleaning is that it is an automatically refilling boiler. It has a separate water tank, a second tank, which refills the boiler at intervals as it needs it, so you never need to run out of steam. There's a very wide variety of accessories available for these machines for floor cleaning with the floor tool and the different length lances that you can remove, use at arm's length on wall cleaning and top surface cleaning. Also the small hand tools with the brushes and vacuum. There's also 6-inch tools with brushes and squeegees for shinier surfaces such as glass, mirrors and countertops. And we've got a variety of smaller tools for vacuuming on surfaces, corners and edges, and some small brushes for detail scrubbing, grout lines and other small detailed areas in kitchens on the equipment, stainless steel equipment. Of course, one of the really good features of Steam is that it's sanitizing as well. So not only do you get sanitizing with the IVo Steam machines, you get really good cleaning. The detergent facility gives that extra boost of cleaning power that you don't get with just Steam. Hope that gives you a brief introduction to the IVo Steam range. There's a range of videos that go into the detail a little bit more, but we're looking forward to bringing these machines to you for a demo. Thanks for watching today.